Good morning. This is Amraja, Assistant Professor in the Department of Management Studies, BVC ITS, Amalapuram. Today, I would like to tell about product life cycle, which is popularly known as PLC. Okay, so when we discuss about the product life cycle, so before we discuss what is a life cycle, so human being also have a life cycle in different stages. For example, childhood age, teenage, middle age, old age. So here the human being starts with the childhood age, then their life cycle ends with the old age. At the same time, the product also have a different stages in their product life. So here the product life starts with the introduction stage, then ends with the decline stage. So now we are on the observe the deeply. So product life cycle is the process of a product goes through from when it is first introduced into the market until it declines or is removed from the market. So the product life cycle starts with the which stage is introduction stage, then the market ends with the decline stage. So here the every product have a product life cycle, every product. So there is no exemption for the any product. So every product have a life cycle. Okay, so here the life cycle has 4 stages. So sometimes we can say that is 5 stages also. So here I mentioned the 4 stages. So that is the first stage is introduction, second stage growth, third one maturity, fourth one decline. These are the 4 stages. So when we mention product life cycle 5 stages, so another stage will be added after maturity before the decline. Okay, then while some products may stay in a prolonged maturity state, all products eventually phase out of the market due to several factors including saturation. Okay, so here every stage is the compulsory. The phase every stage is the compulsory. So sometimes some of the stages the prolonged, like maturity, like growth, like that, but the enters into the remaining stage is at the compulsory. Okay, so here what we say is different several factors influencing on this the product life cycle. Okay, including saturation. So saturation, about saturation I'm already said. After the growth there is a stage that is saturation. So the maintaining same the kind of sales, how we are maintain, how the company maintain, how the product maintain the sales, the same kind of sales maintain in saturation stage. Okay, so once we are observe these the product life cycle in a form of diagram. So we can observe in this diagram in the x-axis we can say sales. So in the y-axis we can represent time. Okay, so briefly here we can observe the 4 stages: introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage, and decline stage. The how the sales are going on. So when the time factor is going on, then how the sales are the moving forward, we can simply observe. So up to the sometime the sales the growth is the well Okay, line is going on positive manner, and then after some time which is the negative. So that is a stage actually we are called as the decline. So here we have say sales and as well as the time. So the very first the stage we are discussing about the introduction. So very product life cycle starts with the first stage, that is introduction stage. Once a product has been developed, the first stage is its introduction stage. Okay, in this stage the product is being released into the market. During the duration of introduction stage, marketing and the promotion are at a high. Okay, in this stage that the company is first able to get a sense of how the consumers respond to the product. Okay, so here the company a lot of amount to spend on to promotional purpose, which means advertisement purpose. So why? Because no one about the awareness about the product. So that's why the company have to create awareness regarding the product. So that is in the introduction stage. So that's why, which is the stage that we can say this is the expensive stage. Why? Because there is no market share for the product, low sales, high the expenses. Then the company gave a lot of promotional the advertisements regarding the product. So that is the stage, introduction stage. So due to that reasons the sales are little. Okay, then the product, when the product life enters into the second stage, that is growth. So in the growth, if you observe, the sales are increased. Why? Because in the introduction stage we are created some the awareness about the product. So when we give some advertisements and promotions about the product, that the impact we can see in the second stage, that is growth. Okay, so if you observe, sales are increased in second stage. So here the company enjoys some profits itself, sales increased. So in order to that way the company gets profits itself. And then the next stage, the product enters into the third stage, that is we are called as a maturity stage. So in the maturity stage, the company here enjoys the profits and as well as all the benefits. The company wants actually these stages, that is maturity stage. The sales are in peak. Okay, in the product life, the product reach top sales, the maximum sales, the maturity. Okay, so here the company get lot of the profits and as well as enjoy. So after some time the company can't sustain the kind of the maturity in entire life. Okay, so here if we are observed, the company after some time, so here the company lost these stays. So the next the company or the product enters into the decline stage. So which means the consumer tastes and preferences and as well as attitude always vary. The consumers feel bored with the product, so they are change. So when they are changed into another product, so this product have a decline the position. Okay, so here one more the stage here we can add, that is a saturation stage. So the maintain the same kind of sales here also. Okay, constant the sales here also. That is the stage saturation. So after the saturation, we can mention the decline. So that is the sales will be low down. So again here they give the advertisements are high, and then the cycle will be reproduced. So here we can mention the sales and as well as time, different stages. So introduction, growth, maturity, saturation, and decline. So here which is the cyclic, the process, which is cyclic, the process. So the sales are how we are the grown we can see in this diagram. Then again at that particular point again it will be decline. Okay, so this is about briefly about the product life cycle, how one product lives, how the cycle is, the leads, how the sales are going on. So we can see here. So this is about the product life cycle. Thank you.